So, where we were up to before Jay phoned us and interrupted us is we were showing you about the interchangeable shade. So there it is. You can just take it off and bang it back on. Now, the way to do it is that quick release catch. So, to pop it back in, you need to open it, slide a little bugger in, and then that's in place. Right, the next fun part is putting the bulb back in that Barry's just took out. Now this isn't the easy part, this is the hard part. There we have it. One bulb completely back installed. Right. So just for those who didn't see that, to install a plasma bulb is you just slide the fixture out, sit the bulb in. You'll see it's got like a little metal tail on it. Once it's sitting in nice and flush, just place this clip back up as tight as you can, and this one. You'll hear them click, so shouldn't be any issues with that. So there we have the Gavita Pro. One other feature I wanted to mention, this is something that we're continuously going on about. So it's a dimmable ballast. So I made a mistake before, sorry guys. This ballast is not just limited to 600 watts. It actually goes up a lot further. As you look on the dimmable switch, you have 400, 500, 600, 750, and I presume that'll probably a super lumen feature of maybe 825. Never tested this piece of equipment before. To be honest, it's the first time I've had the piece of equipment in my hands. So big thanks again to Jair at Gavita for letting us use this and test it. We're going to put it through its paces. We're going to see what it can do, what the pros and cons are. As you know, a lot of ballasts give a lot of heat off. We're going to see what this one's like, and we're going to see what the yield is like also. So stay tuned, and very shortly we'll have some answers. Okay, let's get some. Shall we get a close-up of this?
What bulb's in it?
It's a plasma double-ended bulb.
600?
Yeah, just put it on 600 setting. Want to switch it on? That's also one of the features with the Gavita. As soon as you put the switch on, it won't just fire up straight away and blow all the components within the ballast. It's designed to slow